This is a new Elgin, Joliet, and Eastern Railroad vertical lift bridge built in 2011. So, this is 25 years. Look at the approach span. Raised for boats and ships. And I'm gonna show you when it lowers. It's lowered. It's a span drive vertical lift bridge with 2 towers. And see, look at all this. The detail of the bridge. Listen, obvious. This is polished drawing of mine. It's still in use for train traffic and for the Elgin, Joliet, and Eastern Railroad. And so it replaced the older vertical lift bridge. And so it's still in service to this day. Located in Devine, Illinois.